general illumination. Something's definitely not right here. That's at an illumination brightness setting of 6. And we are back on the bench with this board that was exhibiting a general illumination problem. I had abated the corrosion that sprang from the cap that used to be there. I've replaced it, and I always bend them over so you can see where the bottom of the cap is, but those 7 components are part of the zero cross circuit in addition to the LM339. And you can see the solder bridge I created between the 10K and the 1K resistors here. And although there was a trace between the two of those, the corrosion had eaten through it, and I didn't notice that with the naked eye. So I just put a big bridge across there, and she's good to go now. Let's test the rest of the functionality of this board. Here's everything that I did to it. C2 and C4, you can see those in the picture. C5. Yeah, that's just a different kind of cap than I usually use, but that is my C5. I put this 1N5401 at this location. This blocks an errant 70 volts that will run up through C11 and destroy it if connectors are placed incorrectly. The keying of some of these connectors is identical, and you got to work hard to do it, but it's possible to do it. Replace the GI and power headers, and that was just the 7 caps and resistors that go there, and all those are outlined in the pin wiki. I do that so often that I needed to put it in there just for my own convenience. Okay, let's get the solenoid test running. And we'll do the first 16. I have the WPC DMD test ROM in one of my bench CPUs. Okay, let's test that GI. And I'll step it up through all the different levels of general illumination brightness. The yellow one's bright, but that's just because of the bulb condom that I've got on there. They are stepping up perfectly. Let's see, I'm going to do lamps and flashers at the same time. And there's all the lamps. And there's all the flashers. So this board, the report on it was that the GI would take a while to warm up. The root cause of that was all the corrosion from the leaky cap. And also somebody had replaced U1 at some point in time attempting to address this issue, but the trace to pin 1 wasn't very solid and it eventually gave way. So I removed the previous work, put a quality dual wipe socket in there, and then replaced the chip. She's good to go. Thank you so much.